Hi everyone, this is JTech Berry, the number one go-to for tech. I would like to thank everyone for your feedback, comments, and support. Please do keep them coming because we would like to serve you much better. I'll be discussing on how to hide hibernate options to your PC. Mostly Windows 8 and Windows 7 has just these three options, which is the sleep, shutdown, and restart. And mostly everyone selects sleeps, which makes the longevity of your battery reduce. So how are we going to add hibernate to your PC? You go to your startup menu right here, click the settings, then select the system display sound. Now you click on the power and sleep option menu right here, select the additional power setting, click on choose what the power button do. Then right here, you see these change settings that are currently unavailable. You click on it, then click on the hibernate button option. Then we save changes. You can go to the startup menu now to confirm if this is done. Click on the power button, and as you can see, the hibernate option is already there. Do click like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Tell a friend to tell a friend how JTech Berry video helped you. Drop your comments and questions. We would really love to hear your feedback. Thank you. Have a nice day.